Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how you can to install Django on PC. First you need to install Python on your computer. Now first open your favorite browser, search for python.org, press enter. In the next step you will get this python.org page. Select download option, the second one. Select your platform Windows, and after this just Python 11.4 click. Download of this file started. Okay, click after downloading. Now just click here, select run. Okay, select the last option, add Python path, and click on install now. Installation of Python on computer started. This installation will take some time. We need to wait for some time. Okay, installation of Python will be complete now. In just a few seconds, we will see now installation completed. Okay, just close this page and now go to search bar and search here for Windows PowerShell. Okay, open your Windows PowerShell, right here Python dash version. We will check Python installed successfully or not. Okay, Python successfully installed. We have Python 3.11.4. Now just write pip install Django. Now press enter. Download of Django file started. Downloading of this file will take some time because my internet speed is very slow. I'm so sorry for this. Just wait for some time. This download will complete. And just 30 seconds. After this, okay, we need some more wait. Size of this file is 8 MB, but my internet is very slow. Okay, this downloading of this file completed. Now we'll download some more files. Size of this file is very small, okay, because 41 KB, 34 KB, and others. Okay, friends. Download of files completed. Now installation of file started. Django and other files will install on my computer now. We will see now in just a few seconds. Okay, successfully installed, completed. Installation completed. After this, you can use Django and your Python application, web application, and other purpose. Thank you.